Hello everybody, we are here once again to a journal of the day. A simple, small and pretty fast trade is this one right here that is covered by my strategy. Let's take a look at firstly bigger time frame how we want to start and analyze. Pretty bullish, looks entirely for, I think that's 90 days from 91 days from when JPY is bullish. Market is in a pretty unsure state at this point. In the morning it was expanding to the upside, and I was thinking that it will continue the bullish, but this candle proved me wrong. Also we have a 4-hour fair value gap, and this bull move might have to get and this bull move should get rebalanced. A pretty high area that high demand area that price will come is this one, is here. 4-hour value gap plus the RTA of this bull leg. Now we can get on the lower time frame, smaller time frame. This is what happened yesterday, and this is what happened the night, and this is the really morning, 4 a.m. 5 a.m. This would be a great setup if I was able to catch it, if I was not sleeping at this time. It is getting the market, it is getting the sell liquidity here, the second sell was also 2 days ago. London and no, not London, it was New York and London low. Another important area. This can be categorized as the soup. I think now I realize that this can be soup from this perspective. And for today, market came to OT, this plays down. Here I entered accidentally. Trading view just got me off because I pressed a button, it didn't happen anything. I pressed again, I looked on the phone, I got a little bad feel, exited the as fast as I could, and that's it. After that I just waited. OT was stopped, I mean to the pip. This started displacing lower. Observe that displacement to the change in the state, which is the local low. Price came back to baby fair value gap, which is 5 minute here, respected it. I wanted to get in after I saw some displacement to the downside after the respect of this fair value gap, and I was confident that price will run to the next low. I didn't know that the price will go to the OT of this. It was not that guaranteed, and I took my trade off here, 126 pips. And this deserves also Asia, London low, change in the state. Look. Oh, London low. It was London low. It's Asia low. It's no more the London. Also change in the state for 15 minutes. If price wants to hunt the even lower spots to go to the fair value gaps and OTs. I might wait for a rebalance if this gets respected and price really wants to, really has the intent to go to hunt the 4-hour fair value gap. I won't take the 4-hour, I will take the low, the next low, which is named low hanging fruit. This is the safest spot to take your profits. Or if you have more size, you can, I don't know, leave a quarter of your size to go more. Today's setup was pretty clean, even if it was small, and price should went price could went a little bit more, and a little bit more double to say. It was what it was. It is what it is. Might have to work to get some bigger, not bigger size. I might have to work to get some bigger trades ongoing. This is ideal trade. This is not a trade. This is a simulation. It's not a trade. Also, this is a very good example of a trade. One day buy liquidity was taken, expected to go lower. Oh, this is another reason why price could go lower here, because one day buy liquidity was taken, which is lots of days here. Price on high weeks, price had volatility, price came down, rebalanced OT of this bear leg, displays to the change in the state. Here you take the trade. This is a really tight risk. I mean, you should get like this. The ideal risk is for, and the next sell liquidity is sure. Here you don't have necessarily a sure spot. And that is was for today. Have a great time. Bye.